Hello students, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video, I am going to discuss most important topic for term 1 CBSE class 10th. And what is your topic? Refraction through rectangular glass slab. Okay, we had already discussed about refraction. What is refraction? Refraction is nothing but a bending of light. Okay, what is refraction? What is refraction? Bending of light. Bending of light when travel from one medium to another. Okay, this we have discussed in our previous classes. Now in this lecture or in this video I am going to discuss refraction through rectangular glass slab. Okay, so in what we take here, we take a rectangular glass slab. Suppose this is your rectangular glass slab. Okay, this is what your rectangular glass slab. Now what we do, we incident a light in rectangular glass slab. Okay, this medium is what? Your air. This is your air and this is your glass medium. Okay, we know that air is what? Air is a rarer and glass is denser. If we compare a medium air and a medium glass, then we know that air is a rarer medium and glass is a denser medium. Why? Because in air atoms or molecules are far away from each other, and in glass we know that molecules are closely packed. So this is our denser medium and this is rarer medium. Okay, now what we are doing, we incident a light in the rectangular glass slab. Okay, what we read till now, that light follow a straight path. Okay, so according to that, the path of original light is like that. Okay, here we incident a ray of light. Okay, and what we read till now, that this is your original path of light because it travels straight. But according to refraction, what is it? Bending of light when travel from one medium to another medium. Okay, so when we incident a ray of light in the medium, we enter in the medium 2. We enter in one medium to the second medium. Okay, suppose we are drawing normal here. So this is our incident light, and we know that when light travel from rarer or when light travel from one medium to another medium, here bending of light take place. Okay, and we know that when we travel from rarer to denser, then it will bend toward normal. Okay, when we travel from rarer to denser medium, when we travel from, air is rarer and this is denser, when we travel from rarer to denser medium, light will bend toward normal. This is your normal, so light will bend like this. Okay, if this is your angle of incidence, then this is your angle of refraction. Okay, now again this is what? Refracted ray, and when light travel from denser to rarer medium, when light travel from denser to rarer medium, what happen here? Away from normal, it bend, light will bend away from normal. Okay, away from normal. So this is normal, this is ray of light, it will bend away from normal. So this is what? This angle is called angle of emergence. This is what? This is incident ray, this is incident ray, this is emergent ray, and this is your refracted ray. This is angle of incidence and this is angle of emergence and this is angle of refraction. Okay, and this distance, what is this? This is original. What is this? Original original path of light, and this distance is called lateral distance, lateral displacement. This is lateral shift or lateral displacement. Okay, so this is all about your refraction through a rectangular glass slab. Okay, now I am going to tell you some most important question which might become in your examination. Okay, so what is your first important question, or what is your first key point? That incident ray or original path of light are parallel to each other. What is your first question? Are emergent ray and original path of light this ray and this ray are parallel to each other? Okay, so what is your answer? Answer is that yes, it means that your emergent ray and original path of light are what? Parallel to each other. What is your next question? Your next question is why these two rays are parallel to each other. So why? You observe or see that here angle of emergence and angle of incident both are equal. Okay, here what is angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. So these two rays are parallel to each other. Why these parallel? This angle and this angle are parallel because they are alternate angle. Okay, they are what? This is what? This is, suppose this is parallel, this is angle of emergence, so this is vertically opposite angle, and these angles are alternate. So according to geometry, angle incidence is equal to angle of emergence, so these rays are parallel. Okay, what is your third important question? That what is lateral displacement? Lateral displacement is a distance between this ray, emergent ray, and original path of light. So this is all about your refraction through a rectangular glass slab. For numericals regarding these topics, please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com, and sign up for MCQs.